tight is my feeling. So the way in which we've designed the package is you would give immediate help to all those who need additional capital, additional term loans and so on, cash, in order to kickstart the economy. And I think it will benefit both the demand and the supply side. That in turn will generate a lot of market for goods and services. But as regards the investment climate is something which, as I said, is going to be more driven by policy, and for which the announcement on reforms are all aimed at making sure this becomes an opportunity for India to make a lot of things which have been waiting to get out of regulation, to get out of the stifling policy, to get those producers, whether they are farmers or anybody else, a lot more liberated so that they can choose where they want to sell. So that is why the package was deliberately thought through, that it's giving immediate benefit and also bringing in the ease of doing business. So that at least post-COVID, India becomes a better place to do your business. So some people can observe you're spending on medium and long-term issues rather than. All that is important.
Just to amplify Ajay's point.
Ready also. I have not brought it down because revenue earning has come down, and therefore I could have had every reason to say, sorry, revenue earning has come down. No, I am not doing that. Like that, so we are clearly recognizing it is the states which are fighting this war against COVID. But post-COVID, post the lockdown, post all the zones becoming green, how are we going to help the states also to make sure that the industry moves? One of the things I have actually done is that 90,000 crores being given to the power sectors, so that DISCOMs are not going to see the lifting of the lockdown only to say, sorry, but I can't pay, so no power will be. So in anticipation, I have made sure that economy doesn't suffer because want of power, we've given that money. We are also making sure that talking to all the states, we've taken inputs on which has produced both for the country itself and also for exports. So, and also already कदम उठाया गया, जैसे कच्छ में पपाया फ्रूट्स उगाते हैं, उनको फिलिपाइन से ऑर्डर आता है, और निजामाबाद एरिया में कोशिश था, मगर वो सफल हुआ कि मुझे मालूम नहीं है, ये केलॉग्स जैसे कंपनी आकर के उनसे खरीदना चाहते थे, वो आगे बढ़ी कि नहीं बढ़ी मुझे मालूम नहीं, मगर ये पॉसिबल है कि किसान से सीधा खरीदार आकर के तय कर सकते हैं हर विषय, और उनको टेक्नोलॉजी और सीड्स वगैरह भी बात कर पाएंगे कि अच्छा फसल उगाने के लिए क्या क्या मदद दे पाएंगे। इससे कंप्लीट स्वतंत्रता हमारे किसान भाई को मिलेगा। उनका मैं मानती हूँ इससे बेहतर अभी के हालात में फ्रीडम मिलने से, स्वतंत्रता मिलने से उनका अपने मन का जो लगता है सही